Alright, so hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Aiden back again with another video. Banger, banger, gang, gang. So, we're gonna be trying my brother's airsoft gun. No, this is not a real gun. This is an airsoft gun. This is it. This is it. See? Orange tip. It's loaded and everything. It is a 6mm sniper rifle, and we're gonna be trying it against cardboard. So I have one piece set up right now. We're gonna check how many pieces it can go through. So let's try it. So I'm gonna set you guys up right now. Oh, my phone. My camera. No. Okay, so let me set this down. And then right there. Okay, so, alright. Oh my god. I don't know how to do this. Okay. So I'm gonna try it. First one, here it goes. First one, here it goes. I missed. It's not shooting. Now it should work. Oh. Let's go check that out. I have no idea what just happened. Did it just dent it? Oh, nope, it went straight through. Look at that. It just went straight through. It was like it was nothing. I'm gonna add another piece. This is like actually pretty thick cardboard. I don't know how this thing is gonna hold up. Second piece is on. Alright, let's see if we can make it through the second piece. I don't know about the second piece, guys. I don't know about you. I think this thing is gonna make it. I mean, it's a 6mm, so like, it's a sniper rifle. Oh, I think that went straight through. I think that was a solid straight through. Oh, God. Did it not make it through the second one? Oh, no, it didn't make it through the second one. It didn't even damage it. It went straight through, like, look. It went straight through the first one. I don't think they're close enough together that the BB just stopped. I think they were too far away from each other. Oh, no. Because I know this thing, and I know that it should go straight through. What the heck? That should be good. Now they're pretty close together. Set them on the ground. Maybe this will work this time. I'm hoping. Hashtag pray. Now you guys can see. You guys might be able to see. Yo, it bounced off of that. It flew. Like, literally, it flew. You could pretty much hear the mark. It didn't work. Didn't even go through the first one. Just made a dent. Ah! Guys, this isn't working. Prayers in the chat that this works. I'm just hoping it makes it through here. Like, come on. I'm so surprised I didn't make it through. See, that's the problem with this. I'm hoping that they're close enough. Oh, yes, perfect. They're like tightly together. And now, I'm like, it blasted through the first one. Like, I tried this earlier today, and it made it through 2. And then I had to stop. But, it bounced off. That means it definitely didn't make it through. I'm gonna go closer, guys. That one didn't bounce off. So, I think that one might have made it through. Okay, so this is the first shot that I did. It looks like it just pierced it. You see, look, it just pierced it right through here. Oh, but my second shot that I did pierced right through there and then made it about halfway and then didn't make it the rest of the way. I mean, that was pretty good though. So we'll try again. And someday, guys, I'm going to be doing it with an actual gun. Maybe. I don't know. That might be a lie, but That bounced straight back. Okay, so I shot twice. I did 2 shots. Let's see how it did. Okay, so that's the second shot right there. That's the first shot. The second shot, yo, the thing got stuck in it. Oh, wow. And look, it kind of pierced right, it kind of put a hole, look. It got stuck in there. Holy moly. Okay, so let's try this again. Come on. Maybe I should try like my brother's machine gun. He's got like my dad's AK-47. I don't know. Go for a second shot. Alright, so I did 3 shots this time. Okay, so this was the second shot again. Got stuck. Oh, yo, look at this little baby dad a long way. Look how cute he is. Okay, but look, this one got stuck again. See, did it pierce? Oh! Oh, it pierced just. Okay, so let's check out the board. I think we had one that went straight through. Oh. Yay, we did it through 2. Look, guys. Hole right there. right there. Okay, so that's 2 cardboard things that it barely made it through. We still got this green one. I don't know why these green ones just keep getting stuck. Let's go add a 3rd piece. Where is the piece? There it is. Let's see if we can make it through a 3rd piece, guys. 3rd piece. I don't know if this thing is gonna last much longer. I don't think it's gonna make it through. This is definitely not gonna make it through the 3rd one. It barely made it through 2. Like, it barely, like, I don't know, guys. But let's all wish for the best. All wish for the best. That, hoping that this does not fail. Look how thick that is. Look how thick that is. Alrighty. Come on, don't fail me, gun. I swear if I pull out my brother's pistol and it does better than this, I'm gonna be so mad. Ow! Alright, so I shot it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Let's see. And you made it. Okay, so first 2 shots. This got stuck in there again. No, 3 shots. Wow. 3 shots. Everything pierced through. I mean, not bad, but nothing pierced through here. And it's a different hole. See if there's any damage done in the 3rd layer. No damage. I think I'm just gonna have to go rapid fire on just one spot, guys. I think that's my plan. I think I'm just gonna go rapid fire on one certain spot and just shoot like a maniac on one certain spot. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep aiming and aiming and aiming at the exact same spot and see if maybe, I'm saying maybe, it works. Looks like we're out of ammo. So, let's go see what the damage did. Nothing pierced through there. Both of the things that I shot. Here they both are. So, it looks like it only can make it through 2. That's the end of our video, guys. And I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Because why not? Go ahead, hear the video. Who cares? Hashtag Bluefist. If you're a Jake Pauler, write Jake Paul in the comments. If you're a part of the Low Gang, write Low Gang. And I'm also going to upload a vlog today too. So we got 2 videos in one. Need to start uploading more. See you guys. Peace!